Hi, this is Nadeem from Abdul Fun Zone. Today I have one laptop that is model Dell Latitude 5500 model I have, and today I will show you how we can change hard drive and how we can change RAM from this laptop. I'm just going to the back side of this laptop. There is a one screw that is basically I already opened this screw. I already have one screw is there. You can simply remove this screw, and first of all you have to remove the battery from the system. Then simply push this whole cover from front to back side. I'm just pushing like this. Simply I push up, then remove that very easily. And here you can see that here you will see we have hard drive. This is basically hard drive, and there is a RAM. Two RAMs are there. These RAM I will show you one by one. Just says remove this RAM from the slots. I'm just removing. See, these RAMs only 2 GB, 2 GB, that is 4 GB. Why we are changing RAM? Because to speed up your system. If you want to increase speed in your system, you have to change RAM. Now we have 2 GB DDR2 RAM. This is I think core to do system. DDR2 RAM are there. Similarly, we can put 4 GB if DDR2 is there. And I don't think so this laptop supporting 8 GB RAM. But anyway, if you have 4 GB RAM for DDR2, you can put there. That is only demo how we can change the RAM. Take another RAM and put in the same slots, but make sure RAM must be on same bus speed and same size. I just simply put the RAM there, and there is one hard drive. Two screws are there in this model. Two screws are there. I'm just removing screw by screwdriver. There is a screwdriver, and this is screwdriver. One more screw is there. Just have a look and slightly remove this hard drive from system. I remove this hard drive. This hard drive basically fit in the case. Simply I can remove from the case. And similarly, I have so many hard drives. What exactly hard drive there you can put there, because my system, my hard drive is very it's working perfectly. There is no issue. That is only for the demonstration that how we can change the hard drive. I just simply put the hard drive in the case, and I'm moving back to put hard drive back there. In this way you can change hard drive. I'm just putting screw. Two screws are there, putting back screw in the same position, then one more screw, putting the back, see, now hard drive is fixed, RAM are fixed. I will put back the cover. This is the cover of the system, and put one screw there. There is one screw that is only for this laptop, maybe there. Similarly, we have to move back the screw. I am putting the battery back into the system. Okay. Now this is, I change hard drive. I'm just putting power on. Now system is gonna display coming shortly.